students. Today's session discuss 12th standard chemistry solid state lesson packing efficiency of body center cubic in present in the body center cubic in itself. So already known the diagram. Every corner atom present in one atoms and body centered in center of the one atom. So 2 points. Body center cubic unit, each corner is occupied and additions of one atom is the body center cubic. The next apply to the cubic unit cells of body center cubic. Number of atom present in body center cubic unit cell. Number of corner atom divided one cubic unit cell is the 8 corner of the atom. So number of corner atom divided 8 plus number of body center of atom divided 1. Next apply to the formula. So every corner atom present is the one atom. Apply to the one cubic unit is consider of 8. One cubic unit consider of one body center of the atom. So 8 divided 8 plus 1 divided 1. So cancel of the dividing. So 1 plus 1. So body cubic unit cells are value 2. So last apply very important. So is note this. Next, the triangle of ABC of body center cubic, every corner atoms is the present in one cubic unit cell 1/4 position but perfect radius is also radius. So apply the triangle ABC is a Pythagoras theorem is AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So remove of the squared and RHS part follow the root. So AC squared equal to root AB squared plus BC squared. So AB value A and volume of cube is also A cube already known, but the AB position of A, BC position of A, CG positions of A. So apply the equation AB equal to A squared, BC equal to A squared apply. So AC squared or root A squared plus A squared short, AC equal to root 2A squared. So A squared is easily eliminated of root. A squared equal to root A into A. So remove of root A. So AC equal to root 2A is called equation 1. So next triangle follow that ACG is the 2 radius of volume of cubic. So small corner of atom is 1 radius, large corner atoms A into G 1 radius. So apply total 2R radius. So the triangle of ACG, apply Pythagoras theorem, AG squared equal to AC squared plus GC squared. So remove the square root, AG equal to root AC squared plus G squared. So equation 1 apply to the equation 2 that position, substitute, and AG equal to whole root is bracket open inner of the root to A value and formula apply of the squared plus GC equal to A, GC equal to A apply to the A squared. So root 2 squared and A squared. So root 2 squared is cancel off 1 2 equal to root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. A squared into A apply to A squared is the cancel. And next apply the value, the root 2 cancel of 2 and A into 2 A squared plus A squared. So 3A squared AG equal to root 3A squared. So A squared remove of the square root. So AG equal to root 3A is the apply of calculating of radius of with cubic. Root 3A in format in 2R, another one radius of cubic unit is the triangle of ACG. one radius also already 2 are radius, total 4 radius equal to root 3a. So radius equal to root 3a divided 4, root 3a divided 4. Volume of the sphere of radius already known lower session, 4 by 3. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So r already identified, root 3 by 4 into a. Apply the volume of the sphere equation, or apply the above the equation number 4. 4 by 3 pi r the position root 3 by 4 into a whole bracket in cube is the formula. Cube is a formula. That equation positions, and the next 4 by 3 pi root 3 by 4 a whole cube is apply the inside of the bracket. So root 3 into 3 is the apply depth form, root 3 whole cube. So apply the form is here position, and 4 cube divided 4 cube the position, 4 into 4 into 4, and a into cube a cube. So cancellations are 4 4. So 2 root 3 remove of 1 3 and balance 1 root 3. So the position is 4 also cancel, 1 3 is a cancel, and root 3 4 4s are 16 pi a cube, the equation number 5. So already calculate what number of body center cubic is in the unit cell is 2 calculated. So multiply with the above the equation 5. So 2 into root 3 pi a cube divided 16. So cancel of 2 8. So value root 3 pi a cube divided 8. Above the equation number 6, dividing of the area, volume of the cubic occupy of the positions is volume of cubic is a cube, is the divide the equation number 6. So packing efficiency fraction multiply of the 100%. So packing efficiency fraction root 3 by a cube divided 8 whole divided a cube, packing fraction into 100%. So next step, root 3 pi a cube divided 8, that a cube is also 1 by 3 a cube into 100%. So a cube cancel, root 3 pi by 8 into 100%. So 8 cancel, in that 100 value in 12.5. So root 3 value 1.732 and pi value multiply with 3.14 multiply with 12.5. So 68% occupy of the atom present in the volume of cubic. Every corner atom occupy is a one simple cubic unit of body center BCC cubic. Every corner atom on center of body center cubic atom present 68% occupy of the cubic unit. Balance 32% empty spaces. Empty spaces is called 32%. So 68% of the available volume is occupied. So today discuss body center cubic unit cells, and number of unit cell values already known 2, and first triangle Pythagoras theorem value, first value AC equal to root 2a, next triangle value ACG value root 3a. So equal to 4r, 2r plus the radius of r, the radius of r, and total root 3a equal to 4r, r equal to root 3 by 4 by a. So apply to the equation sphere of the volume in the every radius will be the short trick of radius in the sphere. Consider in 4 part, the radius. So 4r. So already here part in the triangle of the position in center of body center sphere formula, volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. R value root 3 by 4 into A. Apply. So on the apply that position, the given answer is cancelled with last answer root 3 by 16 by A cube into apply of the body center cubic unit cells into 2. The final answer root 3 pi A cube by 8. Packing efficiency fraction is whole divided volume of cubic A cube into 100%. The cancel is the last position. The final value is the 68% of available volume occupied the atom, every corner atom and one of the sphere atom present in the packing efficiency of body center cubic. Thanks for watching.